Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. So first of all, just open up your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then in the search bar, just search for Facebook. And now you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Facebook application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version. And after updating, just open the Facebook application. Now tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and tap on your profile. Now tap on these three dots beside this edit button and then simply scroll down, and now you just have to simply turn on your professional mode. So tap on this, turn on professional mode, tap on this, turn on, and now your professional mode is turned on. So now if you go back to your profile, just simply scroll down to refresh your page, and now you can see this option, see dashboard. So tap on it, scroll down and tap on this reach section. Here you will know how many people have viewed your account. Now I will tell you how to know who has viewed your account. So simply go back, tap on these three dots again and simply tap on this copy link. Now close your Facebook account, open up any browser. I am going for Google Chrome, and then simply search for Facebook profile views tracker. Scroll down a little bit and you have to open this website, Phone Watcher. Tap on it, and here are the best Facebook tracker apps. Just download them and paste the link there and you will know the viewers of your profile. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.